Welcome everyone to the new banquet setup that today we'll be learning. It is U-shaped banquet setup. So it's all about the setup. A U-shaped sitting arrangement is just what the name describes, the letter U. U setup of tables and chairs arranged in the open end space with the participants facing inwards. It is a classic boardroom setup that enables members to both face each other and the speaker. Removing tables from and the chairs in the U shape allows for open interaction between the trainers and participants. This version is often used for soft skill development training and for different workshops. So this is a diagram of U-shaped setup. So as you can see, the participants are lined up in an U-shaped table arrangement and the speakers are here. Same, here are the participants and the speakers will be sitting here. So it is very good for a boardroom meeting where the delegates can discuss with their members very easily, and it is very interactive as well. So here are few advantages. It enables a presenter to closely engage with each participants. Participants can interact with one another. The open area can be set up as presentation area or a focal point. So here are few disadvantages of this setup as well. The sitting capacity of the room is not maximum since floor space is not fully utilized. The majority of participants view the front, speaker and visual aids, in the sideway position. This can become uncomfortable at the session progress. So as the conclusion, as described earlier, this type of sitting arrangement is ideal for boardroom meetings and video conferences with a limited number of participants, but it is also good for training sessions or interactive workshops if you remove the tables. If you keep the tables, then the setup allows for note taking with laptops and other digital devices that aids in writing and learning. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video.